as x approaches negative infinity, square root of x squared minus x cubed over x. So let's first factor out an x squared from the numerator. So it's going to be inside the square root. That's 1 minus x. Now the square root of x squared is going to come outside as the absolute value of x. I'm left with square root of 1 minus x over x. And the absolute value of x is defined to be x if x is greater than or equal to 0, and negative x if x is less than 0. So because here we're approaching negative infinity, we're going to replace it with negative x. And so that's going to cancel with the x in the denominator. So if you look at square root of 1 minus x, in general, it's going to be something like that. But the negative will put it on the bottom, so it's going to be like this. So as x approaches negative infinity, it's going to be going down to negative infinity. Now another way to think about this is that if you plug in, let's say, a really big negative number, you have 1 minus a negative number, that makes a really big positive number. Square root of a positive number is a positive number, but then you have a negative outside, which makes it a negative infinity. And so that's going to be the answer.